Good morning, children. In the last video, we have seen the first stanza of the poem From a Railway Carriage. Okay. In this video, we will see second stanza. Okay. We will see the experience of the poet while traveling by a train. Okay. So let's start. All of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye painted stations whistle by. Okay, so which are rhyming words here? Plain, rain, again, eye and by. Okay, so we will see line by line. Okay, all of the sides of the hill and the plain. So here new words are sights. Sight means things that one sees. Okay. And plain means flat land having trees and grass. So the poet have seen various sides and various sides of hill and the plain. Plain means a plain surface having trees and grass on it. Okay, so whenever you also travel by a train in the rural area, you will see different hills. Okay, small hills or mountains, okay, or valley, river, and the plain surfaces where only grass is grown. Okay, so the poet have also seen all such things. Okay, fly as thick as driving rain. Okay, so whenever you travel by your any vehicle, okay, or your car, and if the rain comes, then that heavy rain comes directly on your window. Okay, so it was difficult for your parents to ride, okay, to travel, but they travel in that heavy rain also. Okay, they drive in the heavy rain. So in the same way, when train is also going and if the heavy rain comes, thick rain means fly as thick means in the heavy rain also the train is moving at the same speed. Okay, it was looking like the train is flying means in the it was the heavy rain, and in that heavy rain also train is traveling with the same speed. Okay, so it was looking like it was flying, okay, in the heavy rain. And ever again in the wink of an eye. So here wink means very quickly, wink of an eye means within a few seconds, very fastly, very quickly. So all that the poet was seeing was very fastly. Okay, the train travels very fastly, that's why all he sees from the window that he was seeing very quickly, and that sights, that scenes were not been repeated. Okay, means she can only see that things only once. Okay, if he come ahead, if the train come ahead, then he will not see that scene again, okay, which he have seen earlier. So this is told in these two lines, means wink of an eye, and ever again in the wink of an eye means all the sides, all the scenes that the poet was seeing was very quickly moving. Okay, and the poet will not see that sides or that scenes again. Okay, so we also when travel by only car also. Okay, then when we travel, then we see some trees, okay, or some houses, but we see that very quickly. Okay, and when we go ahead, then we can't see that again. Okay, so in the same way, when we travel by the train, all that we see for a one time. Okay, and we will not see that again. Painted stations whistle by. So, I think you have seen whenever a train comes towards a station, any station, then there are various painted things such as the name of that village, okay, or name of that station is painted in the black letters on a yellow board, okay. I think you may have also seen that. So all such things means names of the village or stations are painted on a yellow board with the uh, black letters, okay. And also some names of the shops, okay, various shops are also present on the station, so their names are also painted there. So various things or some slogans, okay, or some things or some rules were also painted on the walls. So what the painted station means all such things, means all the instructions, all the rules, okay, or some slogans or name of the village, okay, city or station, all are painted on the board, okay. And whenever the train arrives at any station or whenever train tries to leave the station, then that whistles, okay. The guard also whistles and train also makes some noise, okay, whenever it arrives to some station or whenever it was leaving that station, some noise is produced by the train, and that noise we call it as whistle, okay. So in this stanza what poet have explained, that all of the sides means all the hills, okay, and plain means an open area, plain area, okay, where only trees and grass is present. He have seen that. And while traveling by a train, when the rain comes, heavy rain comes, then only then also train is traveling with the same speed, with the high speed, so it is looking like that it is flying, okay. And all the things or sights that poet have seen that are in the wink of an eye, means they were seen that very quickly and they will never see that again, okay. That's why here what he have told, that there are in the wink of an eye. And all the stations, okay, have some printed things, means printed slogans, name of the village, name of the city printed on some boards, okay, on the stations. So he have called it as painted stations. Whistle by means when the train arrives at some station or whenever the train leaves some station, then it will produce some noise, and that noise is referred as whistle, okay. So that is all about the second stanza, okay. Thank you.